Here's another easy IG hack that you did not know. Let's go. Open up your Instagram story and either snap a pic or select one. Write out your desired text, hit select all, and the color option on top. Now with your left hand select all the text, and with your right hand hold down on the color and pull in opposite directions. This will create a rainbow effect. It's a lot easier than it looks, just keep practicing. Here I'm decorating it a little bit and we're done. Follow for more hacks. Back with another hack. Let's go. Okay, you're gonna add your post to your story and choose a solid background. Next, click the text option and make sure you're on the second font. Now type a dot, some spaces, and another dot. Click the A up top and now you have a block you can decorate with. We're going to repeat this process, except this time we're going to choose a different color, turn it around, and add a few lines to make the details pop. I chose a beige and a white line. And lastly, you guessed it, we're going to add some GIFs, and here's the finished product. Follow for more hacks. Here's a really cool trick to spice up your IG story. Let's go. First, upload your picture and write out your desired text. Remember, you can do this for outfits of the day, you can do this for your favorite restaurant. Here I just happened to choose the theme of coffee. Then type out a few dots and choose colors for them. Here I'm just choosing the best font that I want to use for this particular post. Next, go into the GIF option and search Cafezime. This will give us a really cool dripping coffee effect, and that is it. Follow for more tricks. Here's another easy IG hack that you did not know. Let's go. Upload your picture to IG story, choose the pen tool, and then choose the glow pen. Next, draw like so and erase only every other line. This will create the illusion that the halo is going around you. Next, type your desired text and choose your font. I decided to create this shadow effect. Then find a cute butterfly emoji to make it look like it flew around you, and this is the finished product. Follow for more. I'm back with another hack. Let's go. Upload a video to IG story and click the sticky face on top. Next, look for the photo symbol and upload your photos. Make sure you tap them so they're not rounded but squared. Place them however you desire, and next we're going to click the text tool up top and create a line. We're going to enlarge it and place it like so. Now you have a beautiful display of your vacation, and we can't forget to add a GIF. And here's the finished product. Follow for more hacks. Okay, this hack is super useful. You're going to want to see it. First, open up your IG story and slide the effects all the way over until you find the search button. Then up top, you're going to type in green screen, and guess what? You can use a green screen on Instagram just like you can on TikTok. You're going to press add media, and then you can add any photo or video that you like. Here I am showing you one of my favorite editing apps, and you can adjust your size by zooming in or out. Follow for more. Back with another IG hack that you did not know. Let's go. First, upload your picture to Instagram and then choose the color tool at the top. Then choose the color picker on the bottom and hover over your picture to make sure the colors will match. Next, tap and hold until the screen is filled. Then choose the eraser tool, choose your size, and make a fun design. And you know it wouldn't be one of my videos if we didn't add GIFs. Here I'm adding a few just to decorate. This is such a fun way to dress up your stories. And we're done. Follow for more hacks. Here's an easy Instagram hack that you did not know about. Let's go. Open up IG stories, select a color, hold your finger down until you find the one you love, then tap on the screen to fill. Then open up photos, hold down, copy the picture you like, and Instagram will automatically make it a sticker. Don't worry, in case it doesn't, go back, copy another photo, and click the text option, tap on the screen, and paste. Arrange your pictures how you'd like, and you know we're gonna add super cute GIFs. Here's the finished product. Follow for more. Here's another easy IG hack that you did not know. Let's go. Open up your IG story. On the side, click create, and then slide over to the GIF option. Find a GIF that you like and click next to add it to your story. This is what it should look like. You can type anything over this, even a quote, or you can add a picture. Go at the top to the text option and click paste. This will paste any picture that you copied from your camera roll. Then we're going to add a few GIFs as usual, and this is what your finished product should look like. Follow for more hacks. Here's a really easy IG hack that you did not know. Let's go. How to get text to appear on the same background as you tap through a story. Upload your background and start with your desired text. Then hit send to, share, but here's the key, tap back on the screen. By doing that, you'll be able to add more text. So we're doing it again here. Place your text, send to, share, and tap back on the screen until you're satisfied. Here I'm adding a GIF, and that's how you do it. Follow for more hacks.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Hey! Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait. My words float on the sound. My thoughts swimming around. Yeah. Wait for the drop of the sound. Yeah. Hey. My words float on the sound. My words float on the sound. My words.
Here's another easy IG hack that you did not know. Let's go. First, we're going to share our post to our story and shrink it down just a little bit. Then go into attachments and pick the photo option and choose any background you want to share. Now zoom that picture in a little bit, hold down with 2 fingers while also holding down your post with your thumb. Slide the picture all the way over, and there you go. Tap on your new post and you have a background. You know we can't forget to add some GIFs. Here we go, and this is what the finished product will look like. Follow for more.
Let's spice up your IG story.
I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Your ribbons and your pearls, 'cause I'm not just a pretty girl. I'm more than just a picture. I'm a daughter and a sister. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a rumor.
Follow for more.